What's the meaning of Afghan coat? Afghan coat. Afghan coat. Afghan coat. Afghan coat. Afghan coat. An Afghan coat is a type of heavy outerwear that was popular in the 1960s and 1970s. It is typically made from sheepskin or goat hair, and features a thick, shaggy pile that provides excellent insulation. The design is inspired by traditional clothing worn by tribes in Afghanistan, and often features intricate embroidery or other embellishments. Despite its origins, the Afghan coat became a popular fashion item in Western countries during the countercultural movement of the 1960s and 1970s, and continues to be worn by some individuals as a unique and stylish form of outerwear.